If I become a millionaire, it looks very cute. Primary relationships, tertiary relationships. Hey guys, it's Ika, your online best friend. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. This morning I just realized that I have been ignoring these shelves for so long. They are a mess. M-E-S-S, mess. Today I'm gonna be organizing, decluttering, making it aesthetic. I will try to do my level best to work with these shelves. I love these. I love this. But 90% of the things I own, 95% of things I own ends up being here. Why? I have no freaking idea. We're gonna clean this chaotic shelf space. It has most of my, I don't know makeup, but yeah, makeup and my perfumes, my mist, and whatever the fuck I own, it's here. I have 1500 sanitizers here.
What?
I don't know. And yes, this is a basket where most of the things I don't have a space for goes. So, yeah. This is it. We're gonna clean this. We're on a cleaning spree. So, you guys are coming with me to clean this mess. So yeah, let's go through these one by one. This is my favorite thing to do, first of all. There are some frames, my clutches. This is my kitchen collection. We'll go through this as well. Sanitizers. Kindle. Love you, Kindle, bro. And this is the books department. This is all messed up. This is where everything goes. And सब कुछ messed up है, कुछ पता नहीं किसकी क्या जगह है. And this, I have to go through this also. Basically, there are a lot of things that I have to go through. So, what I want to do is, I will start with this one. Because this is the most accessible one and this is where everything goes. ये एक स्क्रैप बुक में से काट के I put it here. And मैंने पेंटिंग करी थी ये SpongeBob, Patrick and Squidward. 6th class me painted this. No, 8th grade me painted this. It was cool. ये मेरी mom ने उनके college में she painted this. So she had this. तो मैंने इसको frame कर लिया था. I kept this with me. Again, this scrap book. This is my greatest treasure of all time. This is my keychain collection. And the rules are I only get to buy one every month. अगर मैं उस महीने नहीं खरीदती हूँ तो it doesn't, carry forward to the next month. So this is अभी तो छोटू से collection है मेरी. I would love to make a detailed video on my keychain collection because each one of this has a freaking story behind it. Oh my god, so much mitti. That's stickers, very cute stickers. I bought them from Dollarama. They're very cute. Earplugs. There's also Heen ka goli. This is stationery, white glue, stapler, Pidu was asking for. Yeah, this is a lot of stationery that we might need in future. So every household deserves a box जिसमें वो कुछ भी बांट सके. I'll keep this here, but मैं एक नई painting बनाऊंगी. I'll print something out and then I'll put it out here. इसको मैं एक बार ऐसे ही रख देती हूँ क्योंकि रखा होगा तो मैं लगा लूँगी. This is my Bibushka. This is my Bibushka. Bibushki. Hi, Bibushki. I've cleaned 4 shelves with declutter. मैंने थोड़े टाइम पहले ही किया था तो that's why इतना कुछ decluttering वाला नहीं है. Organize करने वाला ही था क्योंकि मिट्टी बहुत चढ़ती है and being in this deserty area बहुत मिट्टी आता है. बस ऊपर वाली शेल्फ पड़ी है, सबसे ऊपर वाली, बाकी हो सब हो गया. अब सबसे ऊपर वाली में बहुत सारा सामान है एक्चुअली, बहुत सारी बुक्स हैं, इधर उधर का छोटी मोटी सामान भी है और वहां तक मेरा हाथ भी नहीं पहुंचता तो मुझे किसी चीज पे चढ़ के करना पड़ेगा. ओ माय गॉड, माय स्टाइल लुक्स सुपर गुड. My relationship with this and this is exactly like primary relationships, tertiary relationships. I don't like this thing. AirPods, you have to charge it, you have to blah blah blah. एंड एक चार्ज नहीं होता, एक चार्ज हो जाता है. इट्स सो अनोइंग. सो माई फेवरेट थिंग इज दिस, माई गुड ओल्ड entangled earphones. It's a very pretty डब्बी, पिंक. जब मैंने ये खाया था मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा, so I think I threw it out. We'll just roll this, open this. Looks very cute. एंड इसको मैं सीधे बैग में डाल सकती हूँ और फिर एक मेस नहीं बनेगा. जैसे कुछ बैग में, वो बड़े वाले बैग में कुछ छोटा क्रम्बल्स होते हैं, वो इसके कान में नहीं जाएंगे. एंड इट विल बी मेस फ्री. आई जस्ट कीप इट हियर. एंड एज आई सेड, मुझे बहुत पसंद है वो चीज़ें यूज़ करना जो उस चीज़ों के लिए नहीं बनी. आई लव दिस कप्स भी. इसमें आई लव दिस फ्लावर, वेरी क्यूट फ्लावर दिस इज. आई लव माई ऊनो. My Uno is my thing. If you want to ever play Uno, come here. If I become a millionaire, then all of these shelves will be filled with Uno. Every kind of Uno in this entire world. ऐसा वो बड़ा वाला Uno भी जो इतने बड़े बड़े पत्ते होते हैं, पूरा मैं Uno से भर दूंगी. I am in love with Uno. I think मैं Uno ही थी पिछले जन्म में. नहीं, मैं Uno तो कैसे हो सकती हूँ? I don't know, but I love Uno. This shelves has all my books and everything, my tarots, my Uno, the love of my life, and this little penguin. Say hi, Mr. Boots. Of the container with the comms. I don't know if you guys like it or not, but I am so happy with what I did because it was so messy, so fucking chaotic. Right now my goal was to make them look clean, not aesthetic. So yeah, I still have to buy a lot of things for that shelf and make it look aesthetic. But yeah, it's finally clean. And my mom will be so happy when I tell her that I've cleaned it. I'm so happy. Also, if you watched in the end, loved the video, enjoyed it, enjoyed cleaning with me, all that. Please like the video, share and subscribe to the channel. Please. You gotta do it, man. Please subscribe to the channel and also comment below. And share with someone you think they might like me and my content. So, yeah, that's all. Love you. Toodles. Bye.